In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Lusha extension to LinkedIn. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Chrome Web Store, and then here you want to go search extensions and themes, and you want to type in Lusha. Like this, there we go, you want to click on it. And then over here, as you can see, the first thing on the list is Lusha. Easily find B2B contact information, click on it, and then click on Add to Chrome over here, and then click on Add Extension. And when you do this, it's going to load for a few seconds. There we go. It's going to add Lusha onto your, basically onto your Chrome over here. And as you can see, I'm now be prompted to sign in. And then from here, you can go ahead and go over to your LinkedIn. And what you want to do is you actually want to just refresh the website. And whenever that refreshes, you'll be able to see there's going to be a Lusha pop-up over here on the right-hand side. In a few seconds, there we go, it's already here. If it's not popping up for you, you should be able to see it here, or just wait for a few seconds. Click on it, you can then sign in or log into your account, and after you've done that, you've successfully added the Lusha extension to LinkedIn. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.